If you've ever dealt with expense reports, you know the struggle. Piles of crumpled receipts, squinting to read faded ink, and the endless, mind-numbing manual data entry. But what if all that could disappear with a single click? Meet SmartScan, Expensify's game-changing receipt capture technology. It's not just a camera feature, it's an intelligent engine designed to automate your entire expense process. So, what exactly is SmartScan? In short, it's optical character recognition, or OCR, turbocharged for receipts. When you use the Expensify app to snap a photo of a receipt, SmartScan kicks into gear. It instantly analyzes the image, reading the merchant name, the date of purchase, the total amount, and even the currency. It then does two things automatically. First, it creates a new expense entry, populating all those key details for you. No typing needed. Second, if you've connected your corporate card, it intelligently matches that receipt image to the corresponding card transaction. This reconciliation is instantaneous. The result? The expense is captured, categorized, and filed away, often before you've even left the checkout line. It eliminates manual entry, dramatically reduces human error, and ensures you never lose another receipt. SmartScan transforms expense reporting from a chore you dread into a task that's practically invisible. It's the technology that makes one-click expense reports a reality. It's about getting back your time, your accuracy, and your sanity. That's the power of SmartScan.